welcome to this dice rolling simulator, which I will be teaching you step by step. I mean, code by code, and I'll be okay. I just checked it before, but I'll be showing it to you in the terminal. I won't be using any GUI or anything. So this is the dice rolling simulator. It's a very simple one. Shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. But let's just start. So first thing we want to do is we want to import random, which is a module for like taking like for randomizing integers, or like I would say for taking random integers, or for choosing a random element from a list or something. But we'll be using it. So then after we want to create a variable, and we want to make it true, a boolean variable. So this ensures that the user can roll as many times as he wants. And then we want to say, so what you're going to do is we're going to take a user input, and it's just going to be a simple, or maybe we'll just print. Okay, fine, we'll just user input. User input is equal to input, and we can say um, press enter to roll, and then it'll give a random roll, or type X to stop. Okay, I mean, if you use single quotes within strings, you can't use them. If you use single quotes as your string and start and end, you can't use them within. So what this basically does is press enter to roll, or type X to stop. Basically, if you keep on press enter, we'll just keep on rolling, and as soon as it presses X, the thing is going to stop. So before we actually go to the before we randomize the dice roll, we just want to ensure that this guy is not X. So if it is X, we can either do break, or we can just make run false. Both of these work the same way. I mean, not the same way, but both of these fulfill the same purpose. Run makes it false, so it'll never go on. It'll just stop the loop. If you choose break, it just exits the loop. So if using is equal to X, it'll not become false. Otherwise, what you want to do is we want to have a roll, and we will make a random.randint from 1 to 6. So all this does, this is a module, and it'll take a random integer from 1 to 6, which is the numbers which are there in a dice. You have 1 to 6, and it'll assign it in the variable called roll, and then we just want to print um, you rolled roll. And because this is a format string, we need to use f, which ensures that this roll is taken from this variable. Just for the sake of neatness, I'm gonna use a blank statement over there, so it doesn't look that bad. And then and then we want to do, then let's say it becomes X. Let's say the user and it eventually types an X once I exit the program. We just want to say thanks for playing. And again, these two blank statements are for ensure that neatness errors, others all just get clamped up. So this should work as long as there's no errors. Please enter. Press enter. It's gonna roll a 5. Okay, I messed that up. I meant this statement to come over here. I think that looks better. Yeah. So let's say I enter, and then I enter a 2, a 2 again, a 1. Okay, that was just so lucky, getting 4 2s. A 3, a 1, 4, a 4, a 6, a 3. So it just goes on. And if you type in X, it will stop the program and it'll say thanks for playing. So this is a very simple program, Dyson Simulator. Of course, you can make this much more better by using an actual GUI like a Tkinter model or a Pygame model. But for now, I just want to make it simple. Just teach it in console, teach it the concept. Maybe in my later videos, I'll show you how to make it in the actual GUIs. So that's it for this video. This is a very easy one. Yep, that's it for now. I'll see you guys in my next video.